Hey YouTube, it's your girl Hazel back in the building. How are you feeling today? So I'm in like a hurry, so I gotta work at 5 o'clock, right? I gotta be at my house by 5 something the latest. So I gotta be at work at 5:30 and it's now 3:20. I'm thinking, these braids, you see these braids? You see the scalp of these braids? They got to go. So I'm like, okay, maybe I could just take these out real quick. And then, let's see though. Let's see how quick I could take these braids out. Cause my hair is short, right? So it's just like, oh, I don't really gotta take out too much cause I ain't really got no hair. And what, DeAndre? Yes. And whatever. So I'm just gonna, try my best. Ooh, I'm just clipping like. So if I could take these out even before 4 o'clock, baby, ain't no turning back. And I bought a wig, y'all. So I'm not, I might just slick down my hair and wear that wig, you think? The way that everybody had a problem with. But I see everybody molding down their hair these days. Like, I thought you had a problem with how I did my hair. Like, why didn't she just braid it? Da 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 da. See what I'm talking about? It's like I could cut it all the way up to here because like I don't have, you can see it. Like, you see that? I ain't got no hair. Ain't no need to be no fancy. Cause I ain't got no hair. And I know like the process of me putting on a wig is probably gonna take like up to an hour. So I'm hoping that I could take, ooh. But these are a lot of braids, so let's hope for the best, y'all. Let's hope for the best. Gots to go though. Gots to go. I just started a new job and like they're all about imagery and I'm just here like I can't let these bitches talk shit about me. Hazel? The fuck? Nah, ain't nobody gonna talk shit about me. Oh, they're not gonna talk shit about me because my hair is all crazy. No, I'm the queen of this shit. You feel me? Look at this one coming off by the root. You know it's time to go. Hey, how you doing? My name is Shakravia and I just got my braids did. Hit me up, I'm the best in Atlanta, you feel me? And baby, stiff wear, bitch, stiff wear. Let me start at the top. Let's see if I'm breaking weed. DeAndre, yes. Come help me take out my hair. You gotta move faster than that, boy. Ow, you poked me in my eye.
Sorry. Go get it.
Oh, damn. Let's see what time it is. It is 3:49. Oh, it took 30 minutes to pull out my hair. So now I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll be right back. So now that I have my freshly washed hair, ooh, look at my curls. I ain't even do nothing. Okay, so my hair is really damaged. I had those braids in for almost a month or probably a month. And I'm just gonna, I'm gonna use my treatment mask from Shea Moisture. And I'm just gonna rub that bit all in my hair. Remember, we on a time crunch, baby. And it is 4:07. So I'm just gonna rub that all in my hair, make sure that's nice and distributed. And I think I got a little bit of leave-in conditioner left. But this is in the leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture as well. You gotta dig in this. Just gonna rub that in my hair as well. I have olive oil right here. I'm just gonna spray that all in my hair and then just rub it in. So to lay my hair down, this is the method that everybody on Instagram had a problem with. They was like, why didn't you just braid your hair down? Da, 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 da. Maybe I didn't want to braid my hair down. Maybe I wanted to slick it down. Maybe I wanted to mold it down. Is that a problem? It seemed like a lot of problems. A lot of people was in their feelings. So I'm going to do exactly what got y'all hurt in the first place. And got to be glue. I ain't even use Eco Styling Gel, you feel me? Use my mousse and kind of like try to straighten out my hair first. Oops. I'm gonna kind of put my mousse in there and don't waste no product. Don't waste no product. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna try to, see that? Kind of straighten out my hair a little bit. Ooh. You see that? That was mousse that did this to my hair. So I'm just gonna add some more. Trying to get it as flat as possible. Really just focused about like the front being really flat. That's probably it. I'm gonna come in with my Got To Be glue. And I'm really gonna use like a lot. I'm like, cause this bad boy better hold for like a week. Cause who got time? Who? Not me. And this. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my trusty do-rag. And this one's thinner. The one that I used last time was a little bit thicker, so it was like hard to dry the way I wanted it to. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. So I'm gonna just lift this up a little bit because my forehead connects to my damn face. Okay, so let's start on our makeup, girl. It's $4.57. I got this wig right here, final sale. This is the thing right here. Like you can see the insides of this wig. Like, I'm gonna take this off of our heads. Take this off my head. Ooh, this is like wet still. Wig cap. Freeze blast spray. I'm just gonna blast around my edges. So time was against me and I really just had to finish what I was doing, but I didn't want to cut my video short or anything. So basically I just cut off the excess part of the wig cap and made sure I trimmed that down until there wasn't any rolled up part of the wig cap. I'm adding my Fenty foundation to the wig cap because there is such a leave out, like there's such a big leave out, like anywhere I part it, I don't want it to show the redness of my hair. I want it to show, you know, my skin color, basically like my scalp color. So I'm just trimming it up, making sure everything is nice and flat. That is our Synthetica. That is our wig that we're gonna throw on our big old head. And sis, this did not look cute. You see that? That was not cute when I threw it on. But all I really did to make this wig look proper is customize like baby hairs in the front of my head. I cut off the trimming, like the excess part of the wig. Like I don't even know what that part is called. What is it called? I don't know. But the lace, I cut that part off.
When I got done cutting off the lace off of my wig, I went in back with the got to be glued, and that's what I'm using as like my adhesive to keep my wig held down, because I do take my wigs off at night. Like, I don't sleep with them on or anything. So I get my blow dryer and I just blow that until it's kind of tacky, and when it gets tacky, that's when I lay my wig down on top of the glue. As I'm showing you here, I'm just taking my time and pushing it up and making sure it's not too close to my, like, in my forehead. Like, I need it to be perfectly aligned. And I didn't have time to pluck this wig. I didn't have time to bleach the knots. I didn't have time to do any of that. So basically, I'm just making sure that it is drying, you know, section by section. I'm just like pasting it down. I did go in with my freeze blast spray on the sides of my hair as well, because it's the sides of my hair. I don't know why. I don't know if this is like with every wig, but it's just harder to stay down. Maybe because it's thicker at those sides. So I use my freeze blast spray, and it's like I use that and I hold the hair down on to my like skin a little bit, if that makes sense. So I created the baby hairs in the front, and then after I got doing that, I just played with it a bit to see which side of my hair I wanted the part on, and all I did was part it, added some freeze blast spray to lay down one part of it, and added some freeze blast spray to keep up one part of it. I don't know, I think I sound so confusing, but like, you see what I'm doing here. I'm just playing with it, seeing what looks good with me and whatever. And I realized that the front of it was just too, you know, flat and dead and no life. So that's what I mean when I brought it up. I added the freeze blast spray to the front and combed it upward and then around, so it could have that little humph. I don't know what that's called, but that little humph. So now it looks like I put time and effort into it. But there's our wig, baby. There is our wig.
Girl, you standing right there looking so amazing. Oh, so I thought